Hey Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to my favorite ready to drink protein, Premier Protein. You guys, my favorite is the bananas and cream, but they have 10 amazing flavors, and I'm telling you, this is the best protein shake you will ever drink. If I'm kind of picky on my protein, and most of the time the powders they have that chalky aftertaste, they just don't quite taste right. This is so not like that at all. It's like having, like a shake actually, Really, really delicious. I love the cookies and cream too. Oh my goodness, it's so good. But the bananas and cream is probably my go-to because I love to put it in my cereal. And I can remember when I was a kid having like chopped up bananas in my cereal and the bananas and cream as your cereal milk. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. It's such a great way to get an extra 30 grams of protein into your diet. If you're low on protein, this is a great way to up that amount. This is great to just curb your hunger midday as a snack or use it post-workout. All great, all amazing. This is a milk-based protein shake, so if you are sensitive to lactose or you're cutting that out of your diet, this is not for you. But otherwise, I totally recommend this one. It has 24 other vitamins and minerals as well, in addition to your 30 grams of protein. So for the calories, I think it's 160, I believe. You're just getting an amazing amount of nutrients in one shot, and it tastes delicious, and it's ready to go, ready to take with you. So amazing. I love these. It's so much more convenient than protein powder, and it actually tastes good. So it's something that I come back to drinking over and over again. This is great, you guys, too. It is gluten-free, keto-friendly, bariatric diet friendly. So if you're on any specialized diet, this is probably something that's going to work really well for you. Definitely think about including it because it tastes so good. You're gonna love it. Go ahead, put it in your cart, try it out. You'll be super glad that you did.